Welcome to ACT Notes Tutorials. My name is Alice, and I am going to give you a quick tutorial on award fee contracts. What is an award fee contract? An award fee contract is a type of incentive contract to incentivize a contractor to achieve cost efficiency. These contracts can be a written or special incentive contract. These are appropriate when elements of performance cannot be objectively or quantitatively measured and areas of management interest or concern, which the government wants to incentivize, may change over the course of the contract. What is the purpose of an award fee contract? The purpose of an award fee contract is to motivate the contractor to deliver a better product or service. They are designed to obtain three specific acquisition objectives by 1. Establishing reasonable and attainable targets that are clearly communicated to the contractor. 2. Including appropriate incentive arrangements designed to motivate contractor efforts that might not otherwise be emphasized. And 3. Discourage contractor inefficiency and waste. What are the types of award fee contracts? There are a number of incentive contract types that are detailed by FAR Subpart 16.4. These include fixed-price incentive contracts, fixed-price contracts with award fees, cost-plus incentive fee contracts, and finally, cost-plus award fee contracts. I will go over each of these types next. The first type of award fee contract is a fixed-price incentive contract. A fixed-price incentive contract is a fixed-price contract that provides for adjusting profit and establishing the final contract price by application of a formula based on the relationship of total final negotiated cost to total target cost. The final price is subject to a price ceiling, negotiated at the outset. The second type of award fee contract is a fixed-price contracts with award fee. Award fee provisions may be used in fixed-price contracts when the government wishes to motivate a contractor and other incentives cannot be used because contractor performance cannot be measured objectively. Such contracts shall establish a fixed price, including normal profit, for the effort. This price will be paid for satisfactory contract performance. Award fee earned, if any, will be paid in addition to that fixed price. The third type of award fee contract is a cost-plus incentive fee contract. A cost-plus incentive fee contract is a cost reimbursement contract that provides for the initially negotiated fee to be adjusted later by a formula based on the relationship of total allowable costs to total target costs. This contract type specifies a target cost, a target fee, minimum and maximum fees, and a fee adjustment formula. After contract performance, the fee payable to the contractor is determined in accordance with the formula. The formula provides, within limits, for increases in fee above target fee when total allowable costs are less than target costs, and decreases in fee below target fee when total allowable costs exceed target costs. This increase or decrease is intended to provide an incentive for the contractor to manage the contract effectively. The final award fee contract type is cost-plus award fee contract. A cost-plus award fee contract is a cost reimbursement contract that provides for a fee consisting of the following. 1. A base amount fixed at the inception of the contract. And 2. An award amount that the contractor may earn in whole or in part during the performance and that is sufficient to provide motivation for excellence in the areas of cost, schedule, and technical performance. Contracts containing an award fee arrangement require significant additional administrative and management effort and should only be used when the contract amount, performance period, and expected benefits warrant the cost of the additional administrative and management effort. Thank you for watching this tutorial on award fee contracts. For more information, please visit the webpage. Congratulations on finishing this tutorial and thanks for visiting ACT Notes.